Welcome to the InDesign Pro channel. Today I am going to show you how to create the real estate brochure cover using Adobe InDesign. Open the InDesign file, go to the file menu, create new, and choose print A4, create. Create a rectangular frame. Right click on the rectangle frame. Choose content and unassigned. Apply the color. I'm adjusting the color magenta a little bit, and okay, also going to adjust blue color. Okay, I'm going to create one circle, big circle, and apply the color. Also duplicate, press Alt key, make it small, little bit big, and duplicate again by press Alt key. I'm going to make a little bit small. I'm going to place the image into these circles. So I have already 3 images. Image 1, I'm going to place the image 1 into the big circle. So I'm going to adjust the image size according to the circle. So I'm going to reduce the images by press Command Shift and dragging the mouse key. So I'm adjusting according to the width. So then again I'm going to choose image 2 to the other circle. The same method I am adjusting the image by press Command Shift by dragging mouse. This is okay. I am placing the third image. I have the format text already. I'm going to paste it here. And finally I'm going to add stroke to the image. So choose the image and select stroke 10 points. Going to apply the same to the other image. The background should be none. Choose the stroke and put 10 points. So again the same to the other image. Background should be none, and choose the color to the stroke and put 10 points. That's it. The finally project cover is ready. Thanks for watching.